Dragon, a big group of fish are swimming over. Dragon, go on! Huh?
Why, there's so many fish!
It must be because Xiaoji and the dragon are playing. Let's go over too.
Who's crying? Let's go and see. Xiaoji. Brilliant, Dragon! Rescue Xiaoji!
Xiaoji, why are you saving me?
Xiaoji,
He won't pay my wages. My mum needs medicine.
aren't you meant to be selling tea at Jia Dafang's shop?
Jodafang owes me 1.5 years' wages. Mr. Jia, what I said the other day about outstanding wages, have you thought about it yet?
Gaoxing, everyone in the world knows all my money is looked after by my wife.
Huh? Madam?
So about the wages, you must ask my wife, but she has a strange sickness.
Oh, help! My heart's hurting so much!
Why is this Jia Dafang bullying people again?
He wants me to help his wife recover. I wanted to ask my colleagues for help, but...
I'm guessing Gaoxing has told everyone already my wife has been diagnosed with heart pain. In order to bless her and to avoid disaster, from now on, everyone's wages will be paid next year.
Now everyone is involved. I have no options.
Jia Dafang has not an ounce of shame.
Xiaoji!
Huh? You guys came right on time.
What's going on?
Something big.
Who is it? How will I have any business if the door is blocked? Oh, it's Xiaoji.
We heard you were sick, Mrs Jia, so we came to bring you medicine.
What sickness? I'm perfectly fine. As you already brought the medicine, I'll take it. Gaoxing, Lai Wan, come over and take the
I'm
things.
coming. We're on our way.
Huh?
Mrs Jia, our ancestors passed down a recipe for the medicine which heals heart pain. I'll start helping you right now.
Great time to heal your sickness. The more that's sprinkled, the faster you'll heal. Hooray!
Choo! Why are you all frozen? Get them out!
Don't panic, madam. Healing your pain is the most important thing.
Madam, this will heal your pain.
Oh, you bullies! We'll see who's laughing at the end.
Money. Oh, money. The best thing in the world is my money. Oh.
Oh,
What is it?
what are you doing? Money behind my back again. Oh, yes, that is Xiaoji stuck his nose in again.
What?
He sprinkled grass dust in the shop. Oh!
How can this be? How dare he come and cause trouble for me? be angry. It's all yours. Do you mind tidying up here and I'll deal with Li Xiaoji?
Wait a second. Don't be reckless.
I'm going to report it.
That's a terrible idea.
Are we really going to pay the wages then? We can't let them bully us.
Of course we won't actually pay them. Let's see. Let's do it this way.
Ah, brilliant. All right, Li Xiaoji, how dare you come and mess around? Come with me to see your father. You control your dog.
Then you should control your tongue, Mr. Jia.
How dare you, little girl? Don't butt in when adults are speaking.
My dad has gone to pick medicine, so what lesson do you have to teach me, Mr. Jia?
How absurd. You've wrecked my shop, it's now a complete mess, and then ask me what lesson I have to teach you.
Xiaoji is helping your family get rid of sickness for his dad.
Yes, exactly.
It's true. That grass dust can get rid of disease. The method passed down by the Li family has definitely got nothing to do with grass dust. It's to do with tying the grass dust into a rope to get rid of sickness.
Liar! How can you make a rope out of grass dust?
When I learnt this from his father, none of you were even born yet.
Oh?
He's just a kid with no skill and likes to cause trouble. You guys actually believe him? If there's no shop, there's no business, so there'll definitely be no wages. You've still not left? If you don't leave, I'll report you.
Go right on and report us when you're still owing wages.
Yes, exactly. It'd be a good thing.
That's right.
Li Xiaoji, if you can make a good rope out of grass dust and tie up our front door to help heal my wife's pain, I'll make sure to pay them in front of everyone and not a penny less. If you can't do it, I won't give anyone a dime.
All right, that's a promise.
Money, oh money, the best thing in the world is my money.
Darling, darling, our chance to become rich has come. Li Xiaoji has fallen into the trap. He's about to come to our house to make the grass dust rope.
What? He can really make the rope out of grass
Of
dust.
course not. He's all talk and no action.
Will Xiaoji be able to come up with an idea?
I have an idea.
If he can't make the grass dust rope, he'll have to pay me 3 times the wages as
3
compensation
times?
for ruining my shop. We are really going to become rich this time.
Ready? Begin.
What's he doing?
Dragon, dragon, use your powers!
Coming!
Li Xiaoji, where's the money you owe me?
Mr. and Mrs. Jia, look!
Oh, my money! Oh, my money!
家伙。